How to simplify 7 over 8 into its simplest form? To simplify this fraction, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest highest common factor or greatest common factor. 1 times 7 equal to 7. So 1 and 7 are the factors of 7. 1 times 8 equal to 8. So 1 and 8 are the factors of 8. 2 times 4 equal to 8. So 2 and 4 are the factors of 8. The highest common factor between this number is 1. So if you divide the 7 by 1 and 8 by 1, you will get 7 over 8. Actually, this 7 is a prime number because it has just only two factors. So if you get one prime number between numerator and denominator, then you have to say that the only common factor between numerator and denominator will be 1. And if you divide numerator denominator by 1, you will get the same thing. So this is the simplest form or lowest term.